In their quest to spread the Our Youth campaign, OCI Foundation has taken their health education campaign to the government of Anambra State. To this end, the group paid a courtesy visit to the Commissioner for Basic Education, Professor Kate Omenua, and her health counterpart, Dr. Joel Akabike, to seek for a partnership with the two critical ministries that can drive their vision of reaching every goal in every community on breast and cervical cancer preventive techniques. We have details.
Delegation led by the OCI legal advisor, Barrister Onyechi Ononye, informed the Commissioner for Basic Education, as well as the Health Commissioner, that the OCI Foundation, founded by Dr. Chrissy Fediora, an Australian-based medical doctor, has since 2017 been at the vanguard of empowering the youths on ways to mitigate the risk of breast and cervical cancers. According to Barrister Ononye, OCI Foundation has single-handedly sponsored annual health symposia on breast and cervical cancers preventive techniques in Anambra East local government area, adding that the foundation has now developed an evidence-based initiatives that will ensure that the teaching against breast and cervical cancers are delivered in a sustainable and cost-effective ways to students in Nigerian senior secondary schools, and appeal to the state government for support in facilitating the campaign.
Very important because we want to introduce this program concerning cervical cancer and breast cancer into the school curriculum. We want to push it in so that they will be taught, they will teach them this from JS1 to SS3.
Responding, the Commissioner for Basic Education, Professor Omenua, affirmed that she's already converted to the Our Youth campaign because she understood the need for early detection and presentation for breast and cervical cancers, but requests for an explicit plan on the implementation process to include the campaign in the civic education curriculum.
I want that implemented, yes. We understand what we are doing. We also understand the need to enlighten our people and to start early, so that we can curb the spread of cancer, especially cervical cancer.
On his part, the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Joel Akabike, said the OCI Foundation's Our Youth Health campaign is in line with the state government's Think Home philosophy, and assured the Foundation's president of the full support of his ministry in campaigning for a preventive health scheme, which he said is commendable. Dr. Akabike noted that breast and cervical cancers are mainly gynecological health issues, adding that the lives of women are worth saving through preventive health care and awareness creation. In their separate remarks, the Executive Secretary, Anambra State Primary Health Care Development Agency, Dr. Chioma Ezenyemulu, and the former chairman, PPSSC, Lady Joy Olasi, who are the official champions of the campaign, expressed delight with the warm reception from the commissioners, pointing out that the president and founder of the OCI Foundation, Dr. Ifediora, has shown great commitment in the education of young girls on breast and cervical cancers prevention.
A partnership with the state government will be of tremendous benefit to the foundation. It will give it the wide reach it deserves. It will now be something that will be done across the state.
Decoration of the commissioners with the OCI muffler formed the high points of the visits.